when you start carving this plastic to make a little extra space, because evidently my hole didn't go straight through, it went through the angle like that. I'm trying to straighten it up a little bit. You should be able to see right here. If you trim it from the outside, if you make a mistake, that you won't have to have so much stock on the inside. Do just a little at a time, otherwise you might make it too big. Alright, so we put the gasket back on there. Channel locks. Well, I can get a grip on it a little bit. All right, let's dump the debris out. If you'll wait right here, I'm gonna go get a bucket of water. All I gotta do is dip it out of the pool. It won't take me just 30 seconds. All right, back. I am back. I'm gonna have to mop the whole garage up. All right, so this is 500 gallons per hour and on a 6-volt battery. Now I can change that to a 12-volt battery and we can see the difference. Because this is a 12-volt system. Here we go, 12 volts. 12 volts. Is this battery dead? Huh, okay. That 12 volt battery is dead. Bought it brand new in 2019, never used it, now it's dead. Again, here's my 6-volt. So that lets you know a 6-volt battery to do that. You can double up to a 12-volt. And that should do it. That should keep your bass alive as long as you have battery power. Okay, so all I need to do is hose clamp on here. And that's not leaking, but I'll put a hose clamp on that too. And then once I drain it, I'm going to go back on the inside and seal around. That's where it's leaking from right there. But I don't really need to seal around that. It's got a good Nice tight fit. And that's a quick and easy portable live well for, you can fish with it and keep your bait in it, or you can just look, I'm gonna do just move some bass from one pond or from a lake to a pond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Thumbs up, everybody. I appreciate it. Later.